Yes, yes. She is. In 5 days. 6 days, okay? Yeah. Kip's gonna come see us. Do you want to see Kip? I'm not joking, I'm serious. You love Kip? Yeah. The most. You love her the most. Yeah. She's gonna come see you. She wants to play with you. I'm serious. I'm not lying. I'm not teasing you. Yeah, Kip's gonna come see you. You love her, huh? Yeah. You love Kip? Yeah. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, say bye, Kip. Hey.